My name is Daisuke. I've been living here for about 9 years now, and I've been on council for all of those 9 years. Through that time, I've worked to upgrade parts of the building, worked with several contractors. Specifically for this recent project, I worked with MJR to get EV chargers installed in our visitor parking lot for this past year. The work was actually pretty quick. I think all in all, it took less than 10 months from EV plan to the chargers being installed. It was very quick work. We chose MJR because from the start and through to the end, we just had very, very good response and buy-in from my specific contact at the company. It was like pulling teeth with other contractors and trying to get answers, trying to get quotes, following up. But I never really had to do that with MJR. It was, I felt really valued for reaching out and as a customer. So that was a pretty easy yes from the beginning. What I liked most about working with MJR was I had one single contact person throughout the whole project. And yeah, they were very quick to respond to everything I asked. They were quick to address my concerns. And also everything was explained in very easy to understand terms. There was written documentation about everything I wanted, and I could easily take it back to my council and refer the information. The EV Ready plan was something that we needed to get done because it encompassed everything about how important this system would be and how it would meet the demands of our residents in the future. It was also important because it is an integral part of applying for rebates with BC Hydro, and MJR helped make that process, pretty seamless. MJR really helped with future-proofing this whole EV project in terms of getting us to understand what was going on and what was required for future-proofing of the EV chargers. Whether that was charging speeds in the future, if we add more chargers, if we got more vehicles who are charging capable, and also what kind of upgrades we would need to the infrastructure. That was all explained to us very thoroughly, and it helped us as a council come to a happy medium about what kind of chargers and how many to install and the cost that it would take.